Tropical storm Cindy is making her way through the Gulf of Mexico as we speak. Her eyes set on the coastline.
While the storm has weakened some, heavy rain and possible flooding is still expected from Texas to Florida. Don Champion live in Mississippi, where the wind and rain are already picking up. Don?
Yeah, good evening, Gilma and Ken. Certainly within the past 2 hours, we've started to see the heavier downpours and the stronger winds moving into this region. The rain is far from over, and it's one reason why officials are warning folks that flash flooding here could be life-threatening. As it neared landfall, Tropical Storm Cindy whipped up waves and caused flash flooding along the Gulf Coast. On Tuesday, 4 inches of rain fell in New Orleans. The National Weather Service lifted a tropical storm warning for the Big Easy this morning, but it's still in the danger zone.
There is still potential for heavy bands of rain to hit us tonight that would cause flooding.
Many areas from Texas to Florida could see another 8 inches of rain before it's all over. That's one reason why the governor of Louisiana declared a state of emergency.
Just because you don't see your area in the cone of the storm as it approaches, don't take this lightly.
A storm surge of up to 3 feet is possible. The flood threat has many people along the coast here in Biloxi keeping watch. The system produced 2 water spouts in different parts of Mississippi. In Florida, Cindy's powerful winds knocked down trees and peeled away roofs. In Georgia, emergency crews rescued people trapped by floodwaters.
We all try to get in the cars and drive out. Didn't happen.
After Cindy makes landfall, cities as far north like Nashville and Memphis could see up to 5 inches of rain. And moving into the evening hours, isolated tornadoes will continue to be possible in this area. And Ken, just to give you an idea of how quickly things have changed here along the coast, we were doing a live shot for another station about a half an hour ago. The winds were really whipping up. The rain was pounding us. When we finished that live shot, a man came over to tell us that he saw a water spout forming just on the other side of that dock right there. It was incredible.
Well, certainly the conditions changing very fast out there. Don, talk to us about the 10-year-old boy. We understand there was a 10-year-old boy who died earlier as a result of all of this.
Yeah, certainly a tragic death in Alabama. Officials saying that 10-year-old boy was hit by flying debris sometime today. And that's really a big concern with this storm as well. The ground is saturated, and when you have the winds whipping up 40 to 50 miles an hour, officials are worried about the flying debris and also trees falling down on people as well.
All right, Don Champion live for us in Biloxi, Mississippi. Thanks so much and stay safe out there.